This is the first Children Human Rights Defenders workshop in Windygoul Primary School.
To me, a human rights defender is what it says in the name. It's basically defending, or you could even use looking after rights and protecting them and making sure they're almost like put in place. And we basically painted on these big billboards.
First we asked how much they knew or if they knew what children human rights were. Then we talked to them what human rights were, and we've been explaining what we've done in the past couple of years of Children's Parliament. Then what we put together was a jigsaw of human rights. What you're supposed to write on it is the number of the right that you have on at the top of your paper, and write down. Why we are defending human rights today is because we show care to human rights and we want to spread that across the world.
Yeah, you need to look after them and like make sure that they're always there for every child, every human.
This right is important because they need someone to look after them.
This one's for play, learn how to communicate with others.
This one's for relax. You can like blur everything out and just be yourself for a moment and think what you've just done.
Children have been working in pairs to write either words or a poem to go on a shield, representing and showing how to defend rights. What it involves in my daily life is I wouldn't be here right now if I didn't have my rights. So almost everything I do in my day or week or month or whatever is to do with my rights, and I'm able to do with my rights.
We'll be back. Be nice. I've done about like racism, and I've been doing about bullying and racism. But being bad, being nice. And then it says racism is evil.
My shield is the flower that we had put on our big wheel thing, and it's got facts and petals, and it's colourful, and our children children have the right to care if they are in foster care or adopted.
I think that's really important because lots of people in foster care have been through so much, and I think it's important that some people step up and take the responsibility to take care of them.
This is the right that children should be able to go to clubs and enjoy it. This story is about a girl that had trouble at football. She went and asked the coaches for help, and then the coaches just ignored her. So now the girl stopped, and she now does dancing, and that's what she likes to do.
At the end of the day, what we're trying to find out is what's important to children, what's relevant, and what we can do to help them defend their rights. I'll try and get most people. Okay, so we'll start off with Anna. I'm really excited because this is our first workshop. It's different because, well, they're a bit younger than us, and we've been coming up with ideas for Children's Parliament for so long, and it's nice to get some new people just to think of different things. And it's also exciting for me and Cameron to be working with other kids to see their views.